Hello guys and girls, today with my partner we are going to teach them how to do a paper boat. Okay, for this incredible boat we only need a sheet of paper like this and our hands. Okay, so for the first step we need to fold the sheet in half like this and then fold it in half again. And then unfold it like this, okay? Then we will bring these two corners to the middle of the sheet. Like this, okay? With the flap that remains, we fold one face first, this face, okay? This face, we fold it. And then the other, this remain face, okay? And the ladder, we fold the corner inwards, like this, okay? This, we fold the corner, this corner, make sure to make the folds straight. And after having the corners of the last face bent, we would have to make a change in the figure, which would be we will be to open the bottom part that was left, okay? Make this and then open it. Something like this should fit, okay? Like this. After making the first shape change, we will take the tips and pull them up, okay? These tips, and we pull them up like this, okay? After we have this triangle, we will go to the bottom and open it, okay? Like this bottom, the bottom, and open it. Okay, we should have this kind of square, okay, this kind of square. And now the last step for this paper boat will be that we would take the two small corners, this, and pull them gently, and pull them up gently, okay, like this. After making the folds well, we will have something like this. Okay, and have this very beautiful paper boat.
And this is how our paper boats would look like. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.